Right, so we'll lift it off at just drawing this part of the Dovetail Tee Halving when it's assembled. The next part that I'm going to have a go at here is I'm just going to draw a sketch to show the bevel that we would have here. So a vertical line, which we can draw in pretty easy here. Count up something like 6 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out 1 square and join between those 2 points, and you can draw that line heavily. So that's a distance there of 6, this is a distance of 1, and that gives us the bevel. And that there is for softwood. And yeah, 1:6. In addition to that there, what information we might need for this would be the setting out. So I'm going to have a go at drawing the setting out again. I'm going to kind of go a wee bit, or reasonably to scale. So I'm going to pick a point down here where I'm going to come to a depth of 3 squares. I'm just going to draw a very long line following the isometric part here and continue it up here. I'm not really sure where I actually end up there. I'm going to come back a distance of 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll draw to the left and complete the square there. Take it up along this line again. Now I need to have 1 square in for waist anyway, so I'll just run these lines. I'm over, let's see, I'll come over 4, or yeah, I could get away with 4, maybe 5, come back over 4 at the top, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm going to go for the 5 here. See, I hope I'll fit it in along the length of it here, and I'll come 6 for the bottom one. So I've measured over from here to here, 6, and this is 5. Join those 2 points up, and I'm coming down here, and I'm only coming down to halfways, and the width of that there, when we're up here, would be 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 square across, come out to the other side, and join it back here. Measure another 5 from this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it seems to be working out reasonably good to overall length. I might fit it in here yet, not leaving a lot of waste here, maybe 3 squares, and I know I've got 80 in this here, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit it all in, hopefully. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's working out okay, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only just about fitting on the page, so 5, and then the waist. I'll take this shoulder line across here. Now I need to put in the dovetail up here as well too, so it's going from there to in 1 square, in 1 square, and that's a lot of the kind of the construction work here for the setting out. So vertical lines all at once. You can afford to go heavy on these. Then I'm going to go my long vertical line, or long 30 degrees line, and that there, I'm doing it in sections as I go along here. A wee bit off my line there, but it's not too bad. Take it to the end. Now I'm going to turn around, and I think I'm happier kind of drawing the line in this direction here. I don't need all of that. In fact, I could rub that out a little bit. The waist in the middle. And this one here for the waist. So what I've been trying to do here now is set out the setting out of what my piece should look like when I'm looking at this. So I'll just write that in, setting out of piece. And you'll have your end grain here. This is piece A and this is piece B. Face side and face edge. And I'll stick in the X's as to where the waist would be on the piece. This is a good thing to do, because if you can do this here, it's very firmly in your mind as to how the cutting out process or marking out process will be, and should follow then on that you will have a good cutting out process. There is a line here in the marking out, which is the halfway line down on it, which I may not have shown in the other video or the other sheet. So that's the setting out and the drawing of the Dovetail Tee Halving.